this video, I'll show you how you can find area of the triangles. To find the area of a triangle, we'll first review the area of the rectangle and the area of a parallelogram. As you know, each rectangle and parallelogram have four sides, and we can simply multiply the length and width of both these figures to find their areas. So the formula for area of a rectangle or area of a parallelogram is length multiplied by its width. To understand the area of a triangle, we'll use the same concept. Here you see a rectangle with the area 6 centimeter squares. If I cut this rectangle into two halves diagonally, I get two equal triangles. And since these triangles are half of this rectangle with the area 6 centimeter square, each triangle has the area 3 centimeter square. It means that the area of the triangle will be half the area of this rectangle. One more thing you have to remember and consider while you are learning about the area of different figures is that when we deal with the area of a triangle, we change the terms width and length by the terms height and base. Let's suppose that you have a parallelogram with the area 8 centimeter squares instead of a rectangle. Now the height of this parallelogram will be the distance from one corner of the parallelogram to its opposite side. If I cut this parallelogram diagonally into two equal portions, I'll get two equal triangles. Now, since these triangles are formed by cutting the parallelogram into two halves, the area of each of these triangles will be the half the area of this parallelogram. That is 4 centimeter squares. The height of the triangle will be found by simply drawing one straight line from the top vertex of the triangle to its base. Now you'll wonder that which side of the triangle can be used as a base. You can use any side of the triangle as a base. But remember that whatever line you draw for the height of the triangle, that line have to make a 90-degree angle with the base of the triangle. Now you can easily understand the formula that is used to find the area of a triangle. Here I have highlighted the height and base of each of these triangles, which are totally different from each other. But the concept of the height and base remains the same. You can see that the height of each triangle is making a 90-degree angle with the base. Now the area of a triangle is simply half times base multiplied by the height. That comes from the concept that an area of a triangle is half the area of a rectangle or a parallelogram, which we just discussed. This formula can also be written in the short form as A is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by B times H, where B is used to represent the word base and H is the short form for height. Let's solve a simple example to understand how we can use this formula to find the area of a triangle. In this figure, the triangle has the height of 3 centimeters and its base is 2 centimeters long. Now the area of a triangle is equals to 1 by 2 times base multiplied by height. I'll simply put the values or measurements of this triangle in this formula, which will give me 1 by 2 times 2 centimeters, which is the base of the triangle, and which I'll multiply by 3 centimeters, which is the height of the triangle. By multiplying these measurements, I'll get 6 centimeters squared, and dividing 6 by 2, I'll get 3 centimeters squared, which is the area of this triangle.